and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be on a makeup travel bag and all the essentials. So I'm actually about to leave on vacation in just a day now. It is gonna be the 4th of July, so we are getting out of town. We are hitting the road and heading to Vegas. I'm so excited. This is actually gonna be my first time in Vegas of legal drinking age. I've been there before when I was younger, but it's not the same kind of experience. So I was thinking I would do a quick my makeup travel bag. What do I put in it? What do I bring with me when I head out of town? Or take a vacation. It's kind of a mix of my holy grail products with, some basic kind of vacation essentials. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and jump into packing my travel bag. So, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be using my Impressions Vanity Terrain case, the one that I picked up in my most recent TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul, my round 4. In that video, I gave you guys a mini review about this terrain case. I really enjoy it. You can fit a lot of makeup in here, but you do kind of have to pre-plan. You need to pack your makeup and then figure out exactly where it's going to go, because you only have 3 slots to deal with. It also has a wonderful mirror. I used that today actually to just test it out, and it is a very large mirror. You're going to be able to see your entire face crystal clear. You're going to be able to prop it up in front of yourself if you have some kind of table or something, and it is going to be perfect. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with my primers. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish. I absolutely love this primer. If I know I'm going to be leaving for the weekend, I never leave without my Smashbox Photo Finish. I just don't. It fills in the pores beautifully, so I'm going to pack that right up top. Another primer of sorts is going to be the e.l.f. Active. It is their Stay On Play SPF 50. It's always good to just kind of start your whole makeup process off with some SPF underneath. You're going to need it, especially if you're going to a place that you're going to be out in the sun. Then moving right along to my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Never leave the house without it. Then I'm going to be placing this one up here with the primers. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow. It's a liquid highlighter. This is just an all-around versatile highlighter that you can really use on vacation. It's going to be perfect for this. Then I'm going to be packing 2 concealers. I never leave without my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I absolutely love this one. Along with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This one is great for a natural everyday kind of makeup where you don't want it to look like you're doing a whole lot. But the ColourPop one is definitely for those days you want to be extra and just brighten all over. I'm also going to be packing my brow products up top because I normally start with brows first. And I'm going to be taking my IT Brow Power along with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. This is waterproof and completely everything proof. And since there's going to be a lot of pool days, this is going to be key if you're going to be dipping into the pool and you have no eyebrow hairs like me. You're gonna need this. You can go swimming and still come out the water and have fresh brows. I'm gonna be bringing one liner with me, and that is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This one is also waterproof. Waterproof is kind of gonna be my theme. You want to make sure that the stuff you're bringing is long lasting, because if you're going to be going on vacation, I mean, you don't know when you're going to be getting back to the hotel room. You may leave early, come back super late, so you're going to need stuff that just holds. Which then brings me to another couple key items. This is my lash grip, my eyelash adhesive, and my tweezers. These are going to be multi-purpose. Of course, lash glue holds on your lashes, and the tweezers you can use to apply your lashes, or just in case, you need a tweezer. And this is going to be a just-in-case item. Even though I have the really large mirror, I mean, you may want to get really up close and personal, so I'm bringing this little pocket-sized Kat Von D mirror I just got in the Allure June box. Plopping that up top. The second drawer here is the same size as the top one, so it's going to be a little bit of a mix up here. Some of my items are weirdly shaped, so this is the best way that I could fit everything. Then I'm going to be bringing 2 highlighters. I'm going to be bringing one for different occasions. The first one is the Makeup Revolution. I just talked about my favorites. This one is more of an icy tone. And the second is my Becca Fresco Pop. This one is more of a kind of champagne toned. As you can see, there is quite a difference, and just in case you want to be prepared for any kind of situation. It's better to overpack than to underpack and then thinking like, oh man, I wish I brought that other highlighter. Then I'm going to be bringing a very dirty contour palette. This, as you can see, I love this palette. It is a perfect contouring shade. Absolutely love this. I use this every day. I'm also going to be bringing my ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder. So this is going to be used as kind of like a blotting powder. If I'm going to be wearing my makeup all day long, I'm going to bring this along with a little mini powder brush and just kind of blot throughout the day, because I do get very oily, and especially out in hot climates, it's going to get even worse. So this is going to be a great item to just kind of toss in my bag. Which for now, I'm thinking this drawer is going to be done, and I'm going to move on to the deep bottom one. And the first item that's going to go inside is my ABH Contouring Palette. I only really use this shade down here. I might just end up depotting this one because this is the only one I really use and love. Honestly, if you're going to be going on a kind of pool day and you're going to be out in the sun, cream contour is going to be kind of key in that situation, because you don't want to look very powdery, because when you're out in the sun, I mean, you're really going to see everything. At least that's my opinion on it. And I feel like doing just a light foundation with a little bit of cream contour is going to look really flawless, and it's not going to look like you're trying too hard. And then, doesn't this look familiar? This was the exact combination I had in my favorites video. I showed you guys the Alamar palette, and I showed you guys the Kat Von D limited edition palette. These two, I mean, I just think they are essential for a kind of vacation. The Alamar Cosmetics, this just screams vacation. You can do so many bright, vibrant, colorful looks with this, and it's just going to be all around just a gorgeous look altogether. The Kat Von D one is honestly really perfect for every day, and also in case you want to add some pops of color, this is going to be a nice little addition, so that way you have options. You always need options. It's like outfits. You've got to have more than just one. Then I have some foundation, and the first one is going to be Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. This has a light SPF of 20, and what I like about this one is this is great for natural, everyday kind of makeup looks. It's not going to give you that full coverage look, but it's just going to give you a nice kind of natural coverage. Absolutely love that. That's perfect for early mornings, mid-afternoon makeup times, in case you don't want to go too full coverage. One more foundation, I'm going to be packing the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow. This one is about 2 shades too dark for me, but I'm going to be doing a wicked self-tan on myself right before I leave. I'm going to be trying to look like a bronzed goddess. That's my goal, at least. So I'm going to be packing this just in case I happen to be a little bit too tan for my other foundation. Maybe mix this in or just wear this one. Which leads me to my next product. This one didn't actually fit in my top drawer with my other primers, but this is the Lorac Tantalizer. And this one is just kind of a good one to have if you're very fair and you're trying to do a little fake tan situation. It gives your skin a nice bronzy glow. And I'm going to be using this while I'm on vacation. I don't get much use out of it when I am at home, just because it's not the right type of situation. So hopefully I'll be able to use this on my trip. Now you already know what this is. This is the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. Already raved about this. This is in my June favorites. Perfect size to travel with. I'm going to pop this in the back. Doesn't leave any white cast, any flashback. And you always need a loose setting powder with you. Then you also need a bronzer, and as you can see, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Love it. I never wear blush, but just in case I happen to be on my trip and I'm like, oh man, I wish I had that blush, I'm just going to be bringing it. It's the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Apricot in the middle, just in case. Then I'm going to be bringing along my favorite pair of Allure lashes. This is in the style Mama Knows Best. They are the pair that's currently on my face. So whenever I take them off, I'm going to be popping them back in this case and taking them with me. It's not that long I'm going to be on vacation for, so I'm just going to be bringing the one pair. It may seem like a dangerous time to test out a new setting spray, but I really want to test this one out. It's the Ulta Beauty Broad Spectrum SPF Sunscreen Setting Spray. It has rose water, matte finish, water resistant for up to 80 minutes. Honestly, this is everything you need if you're going to be out in the sun all day. I don't actually know how well this is going to work, so this is going to be the perfect time to test this because you can never really reapply sunscreen if you have a full face of makeup on. It just doesn't work. So I'm going to be letting you guys know exactly how this works. If I can just reapply after 2 hours and still be good. Then of course you need a mascara. I'm going to be taking the Double Decker Lashes. Love this one. You really need to be prepared for any kind of lip situation. The Amore Matte by Milani, this one has become my favorite. This is in a favorites video. Perfect pinky nude. Along with the Plumping Gloss from Hard Candy and Sugar Sugar. This is perfect to kind of vamp up any liquid lip, so that is perfect to bring along in case you just want to spice things up. And then I'm going to bring the two ABH minis. I'm bringing Hudson and Bittersweet. One is a perfect brown toned nude, and the other one is definitely more of a darker lip that's brown toned, perfect to have. And then lastly, of course, you need some matching lip liners. So I have one by Ofra, Kat Von D, and Jante Bleu. I'm thinking I'm gonna pop these up here actually. Fit them back there, perfect. And guys, that is it. That is everything I'm bringing with me on vacation. Let's fold it up and lock it. But there you have it, you guys. This was everything that I'm taking with me on vacation. It is my travel essentials, my travel guide, everything I can just not leave the house without. I really hope that you guys enjoy this style of video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button so you will be notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!